Hope you guys are doing fine. Also hope that you had the chance to watch the other two videos: how to create character in Cinema 4D, how to rig the character in Mixamo, and now in this video you will be creating a project in Unity, um, and we're gonna go from there. Cool. All right, so I'm in Unity right now. In Unity Hub, I'm going to just create a new project. I am using the editor version of 2020.3. This version has a third-person character template already ready for me. I'm going to just name my friend. There you go. And I'm going to just use a template for this project. And just bear that with me. That is creating the template. Great, I have the template here. Let me just expand this. Right. Great. I have the template already created in Unity, and I'm going to be working with this template. This template already comes with all the scripts, with everything else very nicely working. It already comes with a third-person character already with all the scripts and rigged. When I click on play, I can use my mouse and the keyboard to use this character to walk around. It has can jump. It has all the physics already. What we're gonna do in this project, we will use the character that we create, Cinema 4D, out of the rigging Mixamo. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace this mesh and add our mesh. Okay. All right. So here is the player armature. You're gonna go to geometry, and that's the location that you're gonna be working with at. Okay. Let me just create a folder. And I'm gonna create a folder called My Characters. Good. I'm gonna open a folder. The file that I downloaded from Mixamo, I'm gonna drag it and add it inside. I will double check this file here. That's very important. As you can click, when I click here on this arrow, I will see everything that's inside. You can see the materials that I used to create, which I would not recommend. I would recommend you to create all the, again, the materials and add it into your character. But this is what you want to see inside of your file. This is going to be very important because this is related to the rig from Mixamo. Okay, if you click here, you can see that the character is animated, so there's a rig inside. Okay, of my character. Cool. All right, so I have the character here and the animation. I'm gonna go to geometry and you're gonna delete one file. Okay, one file. So the file that you're gonna delete is this armature mesh here, because you're gonna add our mesh. And when you talk about mesh, you're talking about the 3D object that you created without the rig, without anything, without the scripts, without anything, just the 3D object. As you also can see the location of this mesh, okay, which is the child of geometry. And after we delete this mesh, you're gonna add our mesh at the same location. Okay. So I'm gonna click here with the right button on that mesh, and I'm gonna click delete. When I click on delete, this is gonna pop up. You can open in prefab in prefab mode. So we just open in prefab. Okay. So you can open prefab. That's in prefab mode. And I'm going to just close it, this skeleton here. So you can see here that the armature mesh You can see the filters that are used for this mesh, all the grays. That's everything about this mesh. We're going to delete this mesh and add ours. Remember, that's geometry, child of geometry. Be careful here. If you delete any other file here, your mesh, your character might not going to be working. So really be aware of that. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to click the right button and I will click delete. Okay, cool. I'm going to go back there. All right. So there's nothing as a child of geometry. You're going to click in your character and you can see that the inspector here gave you all the 4 menus here. You're going to go to rig, you're going to click in generic, and you're going to go to humanoid. So what's going to happen is the avatar can be configured after setting have been applied. What's going to do is when you create humanoid, it's going to prepare your character to be like a character ready for Unity. Okay, you can here there's some skins specifications. You don't need to work in all of this. You just click in humanoid and apply. If you forget this, your character is not going to work. It's not going to work. So make sure that you select your character again, go to rig. Usually you're going to see generic and go to humanoid. And again, click apply. When you click on apply, this is what's going to happen. When you open your characters, you're going to see this file here. An avatar got created that will be used for your character in Unity. You're going to use this. Okay, you're going to use this file here. Okay, this avatar. Cool. All right. So select geometry, get your character, and drag it and make it as a child of geometry. Hold on, I need to open prefab. I need to do here on open prefab, right? Again, on open prefab. Remember, I tried to add it here and it told me to add on open prefab. So that's what I need to do. Actually, just scan here. Cool. But if you see that pop up open prefab, just add it through there. It's the same thing. Okay. So you can see that my character now is a child of geometry. My character is pretty big too, so I'm going to make the character smaller. I just select here my friend. I'm going to go here. I'm going to make half side 5, 0.5, and 0.5. Just make it a little bit smaller. Cool. Right there, as you can see in game, the characters are there very nicely. And you're going to click on the last place. Remember, animations are important. This is very important. You're going to click on here, player armature. And you're going to change one more thing. Okay, but before you do this, I want to tell you what's the problem. If you don't this, what's the problem you're going to find? You're going to say, oh my gosh, what's just happening? I added the character. Why is it not working? This is the problem you're going to see. If I click play right now, I will be able to move my character, but the character doesn't move. It's just like a static robot. I can jump, but it doesn't do anything. And that's why you're gonna go to player armature. And here, avatar. You can see that this armature avatar here was the armature of the old character that you deleted. Remember from the template. And here you need to add your armature now, which is the one that got created. Okay, this one. So you're just gonna select here and just drag it to it and make your avatar. Cool. Now when you click play, here you have your character very nicely working and function like a real human being, sort of. Jump, you can actually see parts of the body more articulated, all the kinetics of it. Okay, so that's what you need to do. So don't forget that. Cool. Hope you really like the video, the entire process, all the 3 videos. Again, please subscribe take advantage of the videos, and looking forward to see all what you can do with those skills. Okay, right? Have a good one.